Hello and welcome to CBN Financial's Market Update. I'm your AI host, bringing you the stock market news you need to know today, November 18, 2025. Markets slipped today as investor concerns deepened over lofty valuations in the artificial intelligence sector, particularly in big-name tech companies. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 300 points, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also declined. Key AI and tech players like Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta weighed on the market, as rising fears of a frothy AI bubble triggered a risk-off tone. Adding to the uncertainty, sentiment around future U.S. interest rate cuts has cooled. Investor expectations for a December rate cut from the Federal Reserve have softened significantly, raising questions about the path forward for monetary policy. Meanwhile, markets are also on edge ahead of Nvidia's third-quarter earnings report, which many view as a key test for whether the AI boom remains fundamentally justified. In other corners of the market, economic and credit risks are gaining attention. Leverage in the tech sector is under scrutiny, especially as major companies have issued significant debt to fund AI infrastructure. Bond markets are responding. Yields on U.S. Treasuries remain elevated, and investors are monitoring how inflation dynamics could influence future Federal Reserve moves. What does this mean for you as an investor? Be cautious about chasing high-growth AI names right now. Valuations may be stretched, and earnings could be a turning point. If you rely on interest rate-driven trades or yield strategies, stay nimble. The Fed's path remains uncertain. Diversification matters more than ever. Consider balancing exposure to tech with more defensive or interest rate-sensitive assets. That's your market update for today from CBN Financial. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back soon with more insights and analysis.